This is a sample financial booklet. It contains P&L and budget information, as well as balance sheet, cash flow, trial balance, and a dashboard for wages. This P&L shows information this year with actuals, percentages of actual versus revenues, and gross profit, as well as budget and variance versus actuals. Use these filters to slice and dice the data, such as selecting data for last year or for the last 2 years. To drill down into P&L sub-accounts, hover over this column and click the plus signal at the top of the column. There it is. You can collapse these drill downs by hovering over the parent column and clicking the minus signal like this. There it is. So expand or drill down and collapse. You can also drill down into more granular time periods. Hover over the year row and click the plus at the far left of this row right here. So now we have quarters. To do the same thing from quarters to periods, go to the far left, click the plus signal, and now we have periods. If you want to collapse back to the year level, go to the year row, click the minus signal, and you collapse it back. The sample database shows drill down to calendar periods. However, this drill down feature will also work with whatever fiscal period that you work with. On this tab, we see actual variances by period year over year. Let's add a third year to our analysis. So for every month, we see the 3 years, the actuals and the variations from the same period last year. These other 3 tabs, they're fairly self-explanatory and have similar navigation techniques available. Finally, this dashboard shows wages trends versus other financial metrics. This section at the bottom shows red bubbles in months where wages were above the target. Now, which business units are causing the red bubbles? Let's use this filter. Remove all business units, and let's add head office. Head office seems fine. Let's add commercial and remove a head office. Commercial had troubles, but is doing well now. How about retail? Well, retail is in trouble, even though it's trending down. Click here, click on this star for other trial dashboards. Thanks for watching.